My name is Kudzai Manditereza from Industry 4.0.tv, and we're here at the Things Conference 2023 in Amsterdam. And right now I'm joined by Brendan from Blues. Brendan, welcome.
Thank you.
Awesome. So maybe could you start off by introducing yourself to our audience?
Absolutely.
Tell us more about Blues.
Absolutely. So my name is Brandon Satrom. I'm the VP of Developer Experience and Engineering at Blues. Blues is an IoT, specifically an industrial IoT products and services company. And we have a mission of helping our customers turn offline disconnected solutions into data-driven and intelligent services. And happy to be at the Things. It's one of the best shows out there.
Awesome. Yeah, so maybe for starters, could you provide some insights into what Blues hybrid solutions entail?
Yeah.
And also how they combine various technologies or components to address specific connectivity challenges or opportunities?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So what we find from a lot of our customers is that one of the biggest pains around building a connected solution is when you have to make a decision of of what wireless technology you're going to use up front, when a lot of times customers may not know. They may not know, do they need LoRaWAN, do they need cellular, do they need Wi-Fi, until later in the process. And the fact that they have to choose up front sends them down this path because they're constrained by the uniqueness of LoRaWAN versus cellular versus Wi-Fi versus satellite. And what we have found is that a lot of times that scenario puts customers in a situation where the pilots take longer, the projects take longer, the deployments, it just slows the whole process down. And so what we have done at Blues is really tried to unify basically to recognize that there's this multi-rat world ahead of us, right? That when it comes to radio access technologies, that there should be a world where customers are able to bet on a partner, bet on a vendor like Blues, or bet on a vendor like the Things Industries, and say, all right, I'm going to use these guys for development, and when it comes time to deploy, if I need LoRa because I'm in a great city like Amsterdam and there's lots of LoRaWAN coverage, I can deploy with the LoRa module. If I'm going to be in a place that's tightly constrained with Wi-Fi, I'll use Wi-Fi. If I'm going to be in a place that has cellular, I can use cellular. And you allow a customer to make that decision about what radio they're going to use when they deploy with a single solution. That's what we've been working on at Blues over the course of the last couple of years.
Awesome. Yeah. So maybe kind of like tell us more about what's next for Blues.
Yeah. So a lot of this really for us is we recognize that this sort of multi-rad or this hybrid world, or what we like to call wireless harmonization, is going to continue. There's no question that this is really just the beginning. And so we see that the industry is moving towards satellite. There's been a lot of interest here at satellite at the show. Yeah. I think that's definitely in our future as well. It's something our customers have been asking for a lot. So we're always looking at opportunities to expand, really giving customers those different radio access technologies and solutions. That's a big piece of it. But whether or not we go there or whether or not we go anywhere else, it really all is going to center around giving customers a single programming model, a single interface, a single way of talking to their devices, so that when it does come time to deploy, they can bet on same firmware, same hardware, but deploy with a radio that actually works for them. So that'll be what we continue to focus on as a company and really across the industry.
Awesome. That sounds really exciting. So maybe in closing, do you have any words for anyone who's watching us online or anyone who's here at this show?
Yeah. So I would say if you have not checked us out before, please check out Blues at blues.io or blues.dev. That is our developer portal. One of our big sort of founding principles is the idea of making the developer experience of doing IoT easier. We recognize that there was a lot of complexity in this space very early on. And so we've tried to take this approach of giving our customers the ability to start quickly with an IoT solution, or to start quickly with a POC. We've had customers before that have come to us and have said, hey, with Blues, I was finally able to deliver my prototype. I was finally able to get it across the finish line. And part of that is because we've tried to abstract away all of the craziness of the IoT space, like writing AT commands against a cellular modem, which is everybody's favorite thing, and really trying to make that simpler, make that something that a developer can do from the start in days, not months or weeks, and really get something out into the field. And so please check us out. It's we're proud of the work that we've done, but we also love to hear from our customers and hear what people are building and what problems we're all trying to solve, because the show is proof that we're all in this together. We're all really trying to make this thing happen, and we can only do it together. So yeah, we're excited to hear what people are out there doing.
Awesome. Brendan, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
It was great chatting to you.
Appreciate it. Yeah, happy to be here.
Awesome.